Alright, this is for all you 4350 Motorcraft carburetor owners here. I have no idea. I'm really confused on setting these floats, but I'm going to take a whack at it. I've got this little T square in here, and it actually fits perfectly. If you just tuck it in below one of the floats, it just sits there perfect. As you can see, at a very, very low level here, the resting place is like, it's really kind of deceiving here, but it's just above this 6-inch mark. Before I actually touched it, it was a lot lower than that, but from what I'm reading from the directions, it's almost like you have to lay a strip across this entire side, from this side to this side, and these floats shouldn't touch it. And if you look right there, you can see if I had a strip going across there, it'd be definitely touching it. So I'm going to continue to bend this tab here until I got the correct clearance, and then once I'm done all this, I'll kind of put a post video up, and then I'll let you know. Basically, my problem is, and you can see I let the gas in it when I took the horn off here. This thing is very full of gas. I mean, it's loaded up, and even some of it's already spilled out. It came out of the inlet here, like almost like a vacuum. As I pulled it off, a lot of it shot right out of the fuel inlet there. So this thing even had more gas in it than you see here. And when I come to a stop sign, it surges really bad twice. And what my dad and I discussed was it's probably flooded, and this gas that's in the bowls here is just sloshing right down into the motor, causing that burst of energy in the truck. So we're gonna see if getting these getting these floats here adjusted better, so it's not letting so much fuel into the bowls here be an issue. Something I've also adjusted since I've gotten this truck is this guy right here. You can actually adjust this piece here, rich or leaner. The farther bigger this gap gets, the richer it gets, because it bottoms out quicker. And these needles down here, the fatter parts don't go down into into those jets, so it allows more fuel in. So I've actually leaned this out a little bit. It was about twice this width, and I've taken care of that. So we'll get this all back together once I get this guy done here, and we'll see if it runs better.